Runtime RAML scaffolding. Here you can see RAML scaffolding in Mule Runtime. Start a new API project using an API definition file. Use this method if you want to start a project by either importing an existing RAML or WSDL file, or by referencing the file URL. Select file, then new, then Mule project. The two in the project name, enter the name of the project for the export. For the example, my project, and select or accept the default EE runtime. For example, Mule Server 4.0.0 to 4.2.0 EE. In the implementation, select specify API definition file location or URL. In location, do one of the following. If you created an API.raml file in Design Center, select Design Center, log into endpoint platform if necessary, and select API.raml. If you didn't create a RML file in Design Center, select Browse Files and select the RML or WSDL file that you created. If you didn't create RML file in Design Center, select Browse Files and select RML or WSDL file that you created in the text editor. For a WSDL file, select the service and port from the drop down menus and accept the default. Then accept the location default options and click File. Click Finish. Using this method, ABI-Kit scaffolding technique generates an archetype that contains basic configuration files plus the Mule XML for configuration file, an implementation of API. For RAML based APIs, RML file appears under source main resources API folder. The implementation of the API contains a main flow with the HTTP listener, API kit router component, error handlers, RAML dependencies, push or pull changes from one location such as studio to the other such as Design Center, backend flows containing REST resource action mappings. For WSDL based APIs, the WSDL file appear under the source main resources API folder. Implementation of the API contains a SOAP router, and other components. Here the RML based API, the RML file appears under source main resources API folder. The implementation of API contains the main flow with the HTTP listener, API kit router component, error handlers, RAML dependencies, push and pull changes from one location such as studio to other such as Design Center, backend flows containing REST resource action mappings. Here you can see RAML is connected to scaffold. Scaffold is connected to the API main. Here listener is connected to API kit router, and API kit router is connected to here, and you can see the here error handling. Here the main API, and here the listener and router and error handler. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.